as long as I've been cooking, I've never had a child turn me down on my glazed carrots. Oh, did they ever like them. It surprised me when we first started watching sodium that 1 ounce of carrots has 17 milligrams of sodium. It kind of seemed like a lot to me. I had weighed my carrots, had 1 pound, 16 ounces times 17 milligrams is 272 milligrams. But washed, peeled, and cut, I had 2 cups. So half a cup is 68 milligrams. That's just not bad. If you really like carrots and you plan on eating a bunch, kind of watch what you're eating through the day. Oh my, they're good. Subscribe to my channel and you'll get a new low sodium video every Friday. Keep that sodium down. So I took my carrots, put them in my saucepan, put water in up to the top of the carrots, and boiled until they were soft. Took about 15 minutes. If you cut your carrots into those little stick things, it's going to take less time. So we're going to drain the carrots, and for the time being, we're going to stick them in this bowl. We're going to use the same pan. 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Melt that a little bit. And then add 3 tablespoons of dark brown sugar. Stir that until the sugar has dissolved. And we'll put these carrots right back in that pot. Stir them up. Put them in here. And eat them. Our butter is starting to sizzle, and it's got 1 little sprinkle of black pepper in it. You probably don't even need to do that, but and I don't know why I do, because I just always have. Just going to melt this a little, then add that brown sugar, 3 tablespoons. It would help if my butter wasn't frozen. 3 tablespoons dark brown sugar. Does not take longer, about 4 or 5 minutes to do this. Then we're going to add the carrots, stir them a little bit. That doesn't take more than about 4 or 5 minutes and we're done. Uh-oh, I lost one. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer just to cook the carrots because they're softer when you get them. Sometimes you get real hard ones. Depends on what size you cut them and everything. So you just kind of gotta keep doing that little test thing. But these are mighty good. Mighty good. Oh, good for us tonight for our dinner. Don't these look nice? And they are really tasty. Wish I could give you one, but too bad. I just have to eat them myself.
that's right, good.